Good morning, Junior 6. I am Miss Fatma Abdelraouf Hamadnallah, and I will be teaching you science this year. I hope you enjoy studying with me. We have studied Concept 2, which focused on energy in our bodies. Today, we will shift our focus to discussing energy as it exists in our daily lives. Got it! You're now moving on to Concept 3, energy as a system. Before we begin our lesson on energy as a system, let's take a close look at these pictures. Try to observe what's happening and think about how energy is involved in each scenario. Picture 1. Behind the walls of our homes, there are wires that conduct electricity. This electrical energy comes from power stations, and these wires carry the energy to different parts of the house. Picture 2. In this picture, the electric energy is transferring to devices that use electricity, like a TV or a fridge. The energy flows from the power source, through the wires, and into the device. We notice that, behind the walls of our homes, there are wires that conduct electricity. This path for electricity is called an electric circuit. An electric circuit consists of many components that work together as one system. So, an electric circuit is the path that allows the flow of electric current, transmitting energy to different parts of the house, like lights and appliances. When you switch on an electrical device, you are using an electric circuit. But how is a circuit considered a system? An electric circuit is a path for electricity that consists of many components, such as wires, switches, and power sources. We will talk about them later in details. Okay? These all working together as one system. What's the meaning of electricity or electric energy? Electricity or electric energy is a form of energy that comes from the movement of tiny particles called electrons. These electrons flow along a path, creating what we call an electric current. The electrons must flow in a steady stream, and this continuous flow is what powers devices. Now, let's talk more about electric current. Electric current is the flow of electric charges, or electrons, along a closed path, like a circle, or it is the flow of electricity through wires. To make the electric current flow through a circuit, the circuit, or loop, must be closed. This means it must begin and end in the same place, with no breaks in the loop. Okay? The electric current comes from the movement of tiny charged particles called electrons through conducting wires. When an electric current flows through these wires, it creates a magnetic effect around the wire known as a magnetic field. Let's talk more about a magnetic field. What happens if a wire is wrapped around a metal core? The magnetic field produced by the flowing current is strengthened. So, the metal core can attract iron nails, as shown in the opposite picture. So, electricity and magnetism can work together. That's all for today. In our next video, we will continue our lesson. To stay updated, please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Goodbye. That's all for today.